Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will review about Land Rover Discovery car. Land Rover has launched the Discovery Metropolitan Edition in India. Land Rover Discovery price. The SUV is priced between 88.06 rupees lakh and 1.26 rupees crore ex-showroom. Land Rover Discovery variants. Land Rover offers the SUV in 6 trims: S, SE, HSE, R-Dynamic S, R-Dynamic SE, and R-Dynamic HSE. The Discovery Metropolitan Edition is based on the top-spec R-Dynamic HSE trim. Land Rover Discovery seating capacity. It can seat up to 7 people. Land Rover Discovery engine and transmission. The Discovery gets 3 engines, a 2-liter petrol, 300 PS/400 Nm, a 3-liter petrol, 360 PS/500 Nm, and a 3-liter diesel, 300 PS/650 Nm. Both the 3-liter engines get a mild hybrid tech. All 3 engines are offered with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Discovery Metropolitan Edition gets the choice of a 3-liter diesel unit and a 3-liter turbo petrol with mild hybrid tech. Land Rover Discovery features. Features on board the SUV consist of a PM 2.5 air filter, 4-zone climate control, wireless phone charging, cruise control, powered front seats, and a Meridian sound system. The SUV also comes with JLR's new 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen infotainment system, a 12.3-inch digital driver's display, and 20-inch dual-tone wheels. Land Rover Discovery Safety. Safety equipment on offer includes multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, all-around parking sensors, and electronic stability control. Land Rover Discovery rivals. The Land Rover Defender competes with the BMW X5, Mercedes-Benz GLE, Volvo XC90, and the Audi Q7. Specification of Land Rover Discovery. Fuel type diesel. Engine displacement 2,997 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 4. Seating capacity 7. Transmission type automatic. Body type SUV. Land Rover Discovery is available in 11 different colors. Lantau bronze, silicon silver, Yulong white, Portofino blue, Carpathian gray, Eiger gray, Byron blue, Santorini black, Fuji white, Charant gray, Hakuba silver. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.